Gold miners in danger as a dollar rally threatens to send them crashing on this Gold Miners and Dollars edition of Sunday Night Charts. All right, let's hit it out with GDX, Van Eck Gold Miners ETF. We're checking out the RSI, pretty much in neutral ground, not really telling us much, but let's check out the MACD. Look how slow the momentum here. It's really, really weak, and it's validating this rally here in price, but there's not a lot of effort behind it. Well, let's check out the charts here in a moment, because let's first look at the momentum screens. We see there's really not much change. The 50-day moving average is turning bearish, is slowing down, but due to that big rally this week, a 7% day, boy, GDX shot above all of its moving averages. In fact, 3, 9, and 12-month momentum now have gotten a little boost. Even though they're negative, they seem to be fighting back. Let's hit the charts here and see what's going on, because GDX ran smack into its 6-month volume profile. You see that big day on Wednesday, and then sellers on Thursday and Friday. In fact, the story for GDX here is a series of lower highs. All the buyers hope if they can just break through these peaks here and turn these sellers around, it'll happen for them. But so far, even on the 2-year chart, you can see sellers dominant in the volume profile above here. Let's go to the 1-year chart, and they're right there. Sellers are in control of this. Perhaps the problem now is going to be for GDX and the gold miners is the dollar. Let's check it out here, because a similar story, but a much stronger breath for UUP. Here we see RSI sitting fairly neutral at 50, but check out the MACD. It's looking like it's bottoming and about ready to cross over. Of course, those who are bearish on the dollar hope that this fades and rolls down, but those who are bullish see potential here that the dollar could shoot a lot higher. Let's check out the momentum screens. What do we have? We have price and momentum bearish on the 21-day, bullish on the others, just changing above its 9-day moving average, but otherwise nothing else has changed for UUP. Let's go ahead and look at its chart real quick, because if the dollar threatens to take off here, boy, it's going to be bad news for the market. Here we are on the 1-year chart. You see plenty of support for UUP sitting down here. Let's move up to the 6-month, and we know the sellers were dominant holding this thing down, and they did, but notice how it bounced off its 100-day moving average. We said that would be a strong possibility, and all of a sudden now momentum is starting to build behind it, because look at the 10-day volume profile. It's telling you buyers are accumulating here, and that threatens to take the dollar higher. And boy, that would be bad news for the miners. And with that, we'll wrap up the show for the weekend, and we'll see you back on Monday. Bye now. The content of this video is provided as educational information, is not intended to provide investment or other advice. Shows not to be construed as a recommendation or solicitation by or security, financial instrument, or participate in any particular trading strategy. This video was prepared by Steven Van Metre. Personal capacity opinions expressed in this video that do not affect the value of Advising or Steven Van Metre Financial. Oops. There you go.